you really a beast?
Of course not. Don't you remember the story? An evil witch cast a spell on a handsome prince. Beauty's tears changed him back into a prince, and they lived happily ever after.
Oh, there's Pinocchio and his father Geppetto.
What's new in your carpentry shop, Pinocchio?
We are making alphabet blocks for the pupils of Vidya Vikas Academy's pre-primary.
Is that the truth or a lie? Remember, your nose will grow longer if you tell a lie.
I've stopped telling lies. It's dangerous to tell a lie. Believe me, I've got into a lot of trouble.
Would you like to see our handiwork?
Sure.
The well-known and well-loved cat in Puss in Boots.
Oh wow! I never met an educated cat and so handsome too.
Thank you, my young lass.
I have read the story, Puss in Boots. Tell me, how did you help Jack to marry the king's daughter?
It was easy, you see. I'm clever, smart, debonair, dashing, and I managed to fool them all like a true aristocrat.
Aristo-cat? Isn't it aristocrat?
You Humans may be aristocrats, but we are aristocrats. Take a look. Certainly. And speaking of sweets, do you know which little kids came across a house of sweets in the forest?
Oh, I know. It was Hansel and Gretel in the land of sweets.
That's right. Here they come now.
Hello, I'm Warren and this is Wendy.
Hello, my name is Hansel and this is Gretel. You see, we are always together, side by side.
Thank you.
Oh, how lucky you are! Sweets,
Bonbons,
cookies,
chocolates,
trifles,
puddings,
candy,
biscuits,
lollipop.
and more.
On the sunny beach of Peppermint Bay.
shout, cry, or scream. You could have been saved from being thrown into the fire, and you could have never lost a ballerina.
You'll never do such things when in uniform. I must go now.